Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Yeast infections. The ingredients: 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 cup of water. How do we make it? Instructions. In a small bowl, mix the tea tree oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. In a separate bowl, mince the garlic and add with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. In a cup, dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water. How to use. The tea tree oil and coconut oil is a topical ointment you can apply directly to the affected area with a clean cotton pad. This can be used in between the other treatments once or twice a day. The garlic paste can be applied directly to the affected area and should be used with caution, as garlic can sometimes irritate the skin. This can be used once daily. The apple cider vinegar solution can be used once a day as a rinse to the vaginal area, or added to a shallow warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Note: always test a small amount on an unaffected area of the skin to ensure there is no allergic reaction. Discontinue use if irritation or discomfort occurs. Pregnant women or individuals with severe symptoms should consult a healthcare provider before attempting at-home treatment. How it works. Tea tree oil contains terpenin 4-OL, which directly combats yeast by disrupting its cellular structure. Coconut oil has lauric acid and caprylic acid, which help weaken yeast cells, potentially reducing the infection as well as providing a soothing effect. While garlic has allicin that acts as a natural antifungal agent that helps reduce yeast growth, while apple cider vinegar has acetic acid that helps to normalize the vaginal pH, which is like an eviction notice for yeast. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe as we add new content almost daily.